Okay, hello everyone. So this week our topic will be plating appetizer. And at the end of the session, you are expected to let's discuss the objectives. Objective 1, identify components of plating appetizer. 2, explain fundamentals of plating. 3, apply fundamentals of plating in presenting appetizer. 4, observe sanitary practices in preparing appetizer. Okay, so let's discuss first the different technical terms that you will encounter in our lesson. So first we have plating. So when we say plating, it is a technique in arranging food artistically to enrich its presentation. So another term is garnishing. So garnishing means adding of some attractive item on food to make it more fanciful. So it also refers to decorating food using an item or substance. So usually we use an edible garnish. We use fruits and vegetables. Okay, so these are the two terms that you will encounter in this topic. Next, so let's discuss the different components of plating. So what are the different components? First, we have the main item. So when we say main item, this is the food item that is cut in large enough and placed at the center of the plate. Okay, another component, we have the side dish or accompaniment. So accompaniment, generally flavored food or sauces offered with specific main dishes to make the dish attractive. Third, garnish. So a decorative edible item added on the plated appetizer to make it more attractive. So example here, parsley, shredded cheese, croutons, and fruits and vegetables. Remember, our garnish should be edible. So these are the different components of plating. So we have three components. Don't forget that, the main item, side dish or accompaniment, and garnish. Okay, so I have here an example. Okay, so this is the main item. It is labeled. We have the main item, the vegetables, and starch. So this is the basic plating. So let's proceed to fundamentals of plating. So we have balance. Okay, so when we say balance, uniformity in size, shape, and colors around the middle point. However, the balance does not have an empty space. So I have here an example. Okay, next, fundamental that you need to observe, informal balance and an evenness in size, shape, and colors around the middle point. So look at the pictures on the right side. So that is an example of balance. Next, we have flavor. So flavor, you need to choose a flavor that have contrasting taste to avoid monotony or dullness of a flavor. So we have different taste. It shows there on the right side. So we have taste like sweet, sour, bitter, spicy, and salty. So those are the different flavors. Okay, another fundamental that you need to observe in plating, the color. The correct color combination brings life to plating presentation. So contrasting colors bring out the beauty of each item. However, when using contrasting colors, flavor should also be considered. So I have here an example. Then another fundamental of plating, color and shape of the plate. The color and the shape of the plate that you are going to use. So color and shape of the plate have great effect on plating. Therefore, choose color and shape that will make every food item on the plate visible. So white plate is the most advisable to use. So look at this. Look at the example on the right side. Okay, so next, let's move on to number 6. Texture. So it refers to different shapes of food items in an appetizer that give visual texture and different mouth feeling. So food texture can be soft, tough, smooth, crumbly, chewy, sticky, and foamy. Then another is height. Height can be achieved using long or tall food item, leaning on flat food item, and placing the food on the right angle. So look at the example on the right side. So that is example of height and texture. Okay, next, number 8, we have the portion size. So it refers to the amount of food to be served. So remember, appetizer is bite size. Okay, since appetizer is a meal starter, it is better to make small serving portion. Okay, most especially those appetizers with high carbohydrates content, so it may not lose one's appetite. Also, choose the plate that is suitable for the size of the food item to prevent crowded appearance. So, always remember appetizer is bite size. You need to cut the food item into bite size. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the different plating. So, these are the basic plating. So, I'll give you an example. So, I'll just show the pictures. Okay, so next we have, so observe how the appetizer arranged in its plate. So as you can see, most of the plate used in plating is plain, color white. So these are an example of plating. Okay, that's all for today. So see you all next session, and don't forget to submit your output photo collage of basic plating in my messenger and in our classroom. Goodbye everyone.